How to allow camera access missing on iPhone apps. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix your allow camera access missing on your iPhone apps. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'll need to do is open up your settings. After you're on your settings, scroll down and there you should find your screen time. Tap on screen time and scroll down until you find content and privacy restrictions. Head over there, and after you're here, head over to allowed apps and features. Now right here you will see the camera option. Make sure that you've toggled this button on. After you've toggled this button on, you can then head back, and if you want, you can simply turn your content privacy restrictions off all the way. If not, you can turn it on and just turn on the camera one as well. So after doing that, what you'll then need to do is just come back to your settings. After you're on your settings, scroll down, and after you scroll down there you should find your screen time again. If you scroll down from here, my bad, not here. What you'll need to do after you're on your settings is simply go to your privacy. So if you scroll down from here, you should see security and privacy. Tap on that, and now from here find your camera. So there we go, tap on camera, and here you will need to toggle the button on for the apps that you want to give access for camera to. So toggle the button on from here and you're good to go. And that's how you fix your issue. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.